Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a TradingView watchlist. Watchlists are essential tools for any trader or investor, allowing you to monitor your chosen financial instruments efficiently. They provide a centralized place to keep an eye on stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, and more. We will walk through the simple steps to create, populate, and customize your watchlists, ensuring you can track market movements with ease and precision. To begin, locate the watchlist panel, typically found on the right-hand side of your TradingView interface. Once there, you will see an option, often a plus icon or a drop-down menu, to create a new list. Select this option, and a prompt will appear asking you to name your new watchlist. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose, such as My Favorite Stocks or Crypto Portfolio, then confirm your selection. Now that you have created your watchlist, it is time to add some symbols. In the watchlist panel, you will find a search bar. Simply type the ticker symbol, such as OPL for Apple or the full company name. TradingView supports a wide range of assets, so you can add stocks, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, forex pairs such as Eurust, and even indices. After typing, select the correct instrument from the search results to add it to your list. Customizing your watchlist helps you organize and view the most relevant information. You can easily reorder symbols by simply dragging and dropping them to your preferred position. To remove a symbol, click the small X icon next to its name. Furthermore, you can add various data columns, such as percentage change, volume, or market capitalization, to gain deeper insights at a glance. This personalization ensures your watchlist serves your specific trading needs effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.